One of the most modern automotive factories in the world is located in Bremen. It is here that various coupés, cabriolets and limousines are being built by approximately 15,000 employees. There are several paint shops here where special process pumps are used for continuous circulation of pretreatment and electro-coat dip tanks. Paint coagulation systems involving phosphate and aluminium oxide sludge have the most stringent demands on centrifugal pumps. With such sophisticated process plants and liquids that require constant circulation, the reliability of operation and total power consumption is of prime importance. The nature of the liquids being pumped can cause many problems with standard pumps, blockages of impellers and expensive sealing systems that require expensive flushing systems, all of which adds up to high life cycle costs. As shown here, Egger have supplied their heavy-duty process pumps type EO. These pumps are fitted with Egger's own design of hydrodynamic seal, which is designed to operate without flushing and can also run dry without damage. Since 1998, 65 Egger pumps have been continuously operating circulating liquids in dip tanks at various stages of the process. Egger's equipment has contributed to reducing operating costs at this prestigious plant. Four vertically mounted EO pumps with 55 kilowatt motors are used to circulate liquids in the phosphate tanks. Being vertically mounted, there was no need to align pumps and motors, thus reducing installation costs. Egger pumps have contributed to reducing power consumption, maintenance and installation time, all adding up to extensive cost savings.